In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text with an Airtable formula using mid. We're going to walk through a simple example together so you can see exactly how this works and then reuse the same approach in your own bases. The idea behind the mid function is that it lets you grab a specific portion of text from a larger field, starting at a certain position and for a certain length. First, open your Airtable base and navigate to the table where you want to work. In this example, the table is already set up and contains a field called Name. This is the field whose text we want to separate or extract from. Make sure you can see that Name field clearly in your grid view. Next, click on the field where you want the extracted text to appear. In the example, this field is called Calculation. You might be using a similar field that you've created specifically for formulas. Click on the Calculation field header to open the field options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Field. This opens the configuration panel for that field, where you can change the type and set up your formula. This is where we'll tell Airtable exactly how to extract part of the text from the Name field. Now, change the field type to Formula. When you select Formula, a Formula Editor box will appear. Click into that formula box so you're ready to start typing or selecting a formula. In the function list or suggestions, choose the option that uses the mid function. In this example, it's written as mid name 1030. Let's break down what that means. The first part, name, tells Airtable which field to pull text from. The second part, 10, is the starting position in the text. That means the formula starts extracting at the 10th character. The third part, 30, is the number of characters to extract. So Airtable will take 30 characters starting from character number 10. You can adjust these numbers for your own data, but for now, we'll stick with the example as is, so you can see how it behaves. Once you've entered or selected mid, name 10, 30, click on Save to apply the changes. Airtable will recalculate the calculation field for every record in the table, and you'll see the extracted text appear automatically. This gives you a clean, reusable way to pull just the part of the text you need from a longer field using the mid function.